idea behind blockchain was transparency and security. And the cryptography technology behind it is actually making it happen, which is vital for any of the industry. But if we specifically talk about mobile app industry, we are using it for faster electronic transactions and making sure that users' data is protected. When we started in blockchain domain, the idea was to create a team of experts who understand the technology and understand the nuances of the technology, and also helps clients to understand their needs.
The best thing about this technology is the community. Everyone's learning, everyone's telling what they're encountering, problem solving. It's all going on a community basis. So we do adapt from much open source codes which are written there. When we started with blockchain projects back in 2016, it was more around integrating some of the third-party integrations like Coinbase for just Bitcoin payments. From there to now, we have seen the technology evolving. So now we have actually built some platform-specific cryptocurrencies, a non-custodial cryptocurrency wallet to store those assets, the entire payment ecosystem, defining the tokenomics powered by smart contracts. So yeah, this is how far we have come in the blockchain space.
We have developed more than 50 plus applications, which is very interesting because we are working across the domain. On one hand, we are working with Thailand government to create one of their educational based platform, which is a complete learning management system. And on the other hand, we are working with one of the gaming based social media application, which allows you to track from where the post was originated so that you can tackle fake news. And not just that, we are taking blockchain, which itself is a new generation technology, and combining it with other new generation technologies like AR, VR, and taking it to the next level.
In the initial days, we picked up members from all different domains, so that the team has collectively knowledge about all possible technologies and domains in which we work, in which we can create applications. So the team had a bunch of members from C++, Node.js, Python, with some knowledge about machine learning, deep neural networks, and of course UX guys as well, and some of people working already on Ethereum. So we picked up all these members to start the innovation lab.
If I recall from multiple projects that we have done, one of the extensive projects has been a B2B solution. We have worked over a permissioned blockchain framework, and that was specifically Hyperledger Fabric. It was majorly for a wine refinery based out of Australia. They had major issues in their traceability system, and we suggested them that we should move ahead with a permission network wherein 2 to 3 actors in the very first stage can be accommodated, and we can develop a pilot project for them. We can see how things are coming around. We chose Node.js as a middleware language that would be interacting with the Hyperledger Fabric framework. Most of the development over Hyperledger Fabric was also done with the help of Node.js. The front-end language for panels which were there was AngularJS. Node.js, AngularJS combination on the blockchain technology basically brought out a solution in which all the actors would feed in using the optical labels. All their data would be traced, and it was more of a transparent system within an organization.
So the first and foremost process that we follow with our customers, be it startups or be it enterprise, we sign an NDA, a non-disclosure agreement between both the parties that allows us to freely discuss all the project-related ideas and discussions. The very next step is to deep dive further into the customer's requirement in terms of what is their pain areas, what is their business requirements, what is they want to achieve out of this blockchain implementation, what is their overall long-term goals associated, what is the short-term benefits they want to achieve out of the blockchain implementation. So getting deep dive into the customer requirements gives us enough information wherein we can plan out the next steps with the customers. So that is when we built in more people from our team. We've got technology architects, we've got blockchain experts, we've got functional domain experts, we've got business analysis. So we create a team around the customer's requirements. It's an interesting journey that typically we make our customers pass through, let's say around couple of weeks of time, wherein customers shares his lot of knowledge, wisdom and his idea. Basis that we create a roadmap and a technology solution for him.